All right, so let me show you how to get started with the Duo Launcher. We go to the task. For the task, very easy. So you want to have a task for the folded and unfolded. The harder part is this one. Really easy. You go to plugin, and you install AutoTool. I mean, not install. You select AutoTool and scroll until you see Launcher. Once you see Launcher, you click on this top right, and you select your launcher. Okay, so this, I have Nova on One UI, so you choose whichever you want for it when it's folded. Okay, package name, really easy. Set it to command when you press home, so at least if ever it bugs out, you just go home and then it will pretty much reset it to the launcher that you chose. Okay, once that's done, you click plus, and then you go back. Okay, so that's how we look like. Now I did two, so I'm going to delete this one. Okay, and the second action you want to do is go home. And it is essentially very easy. If you type go home on it in Tasker, you'll find it. You, by default, just set it to default, just click finish, you'll find it. And the reason you want to do this is because once you switch the launcher, you want it at least for it to automatically go home to reset the launcher, or if not, you're going to see it from the previous launcher that was set before it was folded. And variable name, I myself set a fold status to close, so I can use it for different other profile or task. Okay, so this is for the folded launcher. Now, the second you want to set is the launcher for when it's open, when it's unfolded. Again, that's the one I chose here. And you just repeat the exact same thing. You choose the launcher, but the launcher here would be the one I choose to go home also. And I added this because sometimes it didn't work, so I just launched it again. So very first thing is you want to create two profiles. So profiles for folded and profiles for unfolded. And how you open that profile, click on the plus, select event, and type at the bottom to filter logcat entry. Click on this. Right, stop reminding this part. Click on this, and I'm gonna put a screenshot of how it looks like. So very easy, and you have to do this for both folded and unfolded. So one of them, let's go with the folded option. And this is how we would look like. And by the way, guys, to make it easy, just open it on your phone. And what you want to do is when you click on this, find the rectangle. And all you got to do is you're going to go to put it towards the text that you want to copy. And at that point, the text on the screen right now, and click done. And what that will do is I'll give you access, once you click on this little T, to copy the pasted text. So it will prevent you guys from writing the whole thing, typing the whole thing. Just copy and paste. That's how you make it faster. Okay, work smart, not hard. Okay, so once you're done, let's go back here. Copy everything that you see here. For myself, we'll cancel this just because I have everything created. And you have folded and unfolded. Okay, so this is how this look like for the unfolded version. If you want to copy this, pause it here and copy for the unfolded version. Okay, so you need to put the component section, and you also need to put the filter section, and you do the exact same thing. You can copy and clone it, but this one will have a slightly different filter function. This is for the folded version. This is how it would look folded, right, when it's closed, and this is how it would look when it's not folded. And this is how I would make it work. What you want to do is go to your setting, click default, choose default app, and choose default app. And here in the home app, you want to set it to AutoTool. So you have different options based on how many launchers you have, and you want to choose it as AutoTool so that AutoTool is able to change the launchers for you once those tasks run. Essentially, that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys want me to do a little bit more. So if that helps and you're looking for something, let me know. I'm open to ideas. Comment in below. Take care, guys. See ya.